Hey everybody, it's Chad from Colorado Giants. No, I am not dead. It's just winter time and I'm taking a little bit of a respite. I have been doing a lot of filming, but not putting out a lot of content. But I'm going to do a video right now. It's December 5th. We're doing a video today. I'm putting it out today. I'm going to edit it today, and it will be uploaded. So stick around and watch the video. So I did get a lot of bubbles, and those seeds are still drying. I'm almost all of them are dry. I'm drying out a few gourds. I was going to say watch the video, but I took footage of me drying out gourd seeds, but I haven't uploaded them. The gourd seeds are almost dry, and then I just have to do the wolf pumpkin. Once those seeds are dry, we're going to send those out, thinking probably the first week in January. I'll finally send back everybody's bubbles. But in getting all of those bubbles, I did see a few errors that we're going to address, and I'll show you guys how to correctly send out a bubble because I'm sending out some of mine. So it's a great time to show you how to correctly do it. So when sending out a bubbles, you basically need three things. So you need an outer envelope, which is just, let me get one here. So just a manila envelope. So I use the 6x9 manila envelopes. They order them off of the Amazon. Dance with the Devil and order from the big corporation. But hey, it's easy and I don't have to leave my house. It's winter time and I just don't do well in the winter. So Amazon it is. So 6x9 manila envelopes. And then I think these are 4x7s. Package of 4x7s I order. Many at a time. I'm positive I had some of those laying around, but of course I put them in the correct spot. Now I don't know where they are, so I had to order them. And in a few months I'll find them, and then I'll have like 200 of these things lying around. So then a 4x7. And then the purpose of that, to the size difference, is this will fit snugly inside of the manila envelope right here, and you're not, using a lot of postage. Some of them that I got this year were really big, and that's not a problem. It just costs you a little bit extra to ship that. So let's reposition the camera. So this part shouldn't be overly complicated. Everybody, hopefully, you know how to send a letter. So I'm going to address to where if you want seeds from me, this is where you're going to send them. So you're going to send your address or your bubble. So remember, this is the outer. So this is what the padded envelope is going to be sent in. So you're going to send these to Chad New. Yes, my last name is New. And then that's going to go to 13740 East Quincy Avenue, Aurora, Colorado 80015. So that is the address. Screenshot that right now. Hit pause. Get your sticky note out. If you want seats from me, this is where you send it. This is my store. This is my business address. So somebody will be there to receive them. Then go ahead and put your return address there. I have I'm sure everybody has a stamp, so I'll go ahead and stamp that with my return address. And then, so then this one will go inside this one. So this is a bubble. This is padded because we're going to put packages of seeds in here, and we want to afford them a little bit of protection from the mailing machine. Some people will write like no machine or do not bend, so we'll go ahead and do that. So, write no, and I'll use my Sharpie. No machine. Because sometimes if they run it through like the sorting machine, that'll like crush some seeds. So, for what it's worth, you could put no machine. Will they pay attention to it? I don't know. Couldn't hurt though. No machine. So on this one, and of course I wrote this in the wrong spot. This is where your return address goes. So you write your return address on this. So if your name is Bill, Johnson at 123 Small Street in Las Vegas, Nevada 89012. So you would go ahead and put that, and then put your return address here in the no machine. So then write Bill Johnson, 123 Small Street. So that way, if there's any errors, you're lacking in postage or something, it's going to be returned to you, and then you can pay that postage. So now you will take both of these to the post office. Well, actually, stop. I skipped a step. So what I like to do is I will write a note. So, if I'm sending an envelope to Bill Johnson, I'm aware of some of his accomplishments this year. We'll write a note, Dear Bill, I saw that you grew a new personal best this year. You have a great YouTube channel. I wish you the very best of luck in 2020. If you happen to have any extra seeds, I would like the opportunity to grow one of yours. Keep up the great work. Good luck 2020. All the best, Chad New. And then I will put that inside of here, because it's kind of rude to just be like, here's a bubble. Like, I know what to do with it. So if somebody were to send me one of these that was empty, I would know what to do with it. But, that's kind of rude. Just be like, hey, this is what I'm doing. I appreciate the opportunity that you're giving out some stuff. Just be polite with it. So, and also when I send out seed requests, so I'm the envelopes that I filled out that are up here off camera, I'm asking for seeds for our club pumpkin auction or seed auction. So if you want to buy some seeds, go to bigpumpkins.com. I would encourage you to buy seeds from the RMGVG auction, which I believe is the second week in January or the third week in January. It's a chat style auction, and you can buy some seeds. So I'm going to send them a sticker for the club, and then I'm also sending them a 1 acre farm sticker as well. And if you send me a bubble, there's a good chance you might get one of these as well as a response. So I'll go ahead and I'll put in my note, I'll put in my stickers, and then I'm going to leave them separate. So then what you do is you go to the post office and you get the correct postage for this. So you're going to have the post office attendant put the correct postage on this for you, and then you put that in there, and then you're going to get the correct postage put on this with this still inside. That way you're sending the correct postage, or you're sending your bubble, your seed request with the correct postage on it. So when I get this, all I have to do is open this up. I'll look in here like, oh, hey, there's a little bit of a letter. Oh, man, you want some seeds? Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Oh, well, that Bill guy, Bill Johnson, he's a nice guy. Appreciate that, Bill. Thanks for the stickers. Then I will disregard this. I'll throw a few seeds in there. Maybe a note, say, good luck, Bill. Please grow my seed. Let me know how you do. Take that off. And it's done. I throw it in the mailbox. You want to make it as easy on the pumpkin. You want to make it as easy on the seed sender as possible to make it, worth their while to go ahead, throw some seeds in there, throw it in the mailbox, and that's basically that. So that's a little bit better, more in-depth explanation on how you request seeds from giant pumpkin growers and, most growers for that fact. I know I've done this a few times with super hot pepper people. Most of the time, people who garden are happy to share what we do. Some of you tossed in $2, $5. I mean, that's awesome too. I'm not going to say no to a free soda. Heck yeah, thank you. I appreciate that. But it's never required. It's not a prerequisite to put any money in there. Some people do sell their seeds, and there's nothing wrong with that. A lot of us will just give them away, though, free for the asking. Just ask nicely, and again, acknowledge them. Throw them a sticker. I had somebody send me a packet that had a few honey sticks from one of their vacations in Hawaii. That was awesome. Things like that are super cool. Share something of yours to those people who are sharing something of theirs with you. It makes the world go around. It's polite. And that's it for this video. I appreciate you watching. Do stick around. I am kind of dusting off the ice from the first real break of winter. We're getting into Christmas now. We have some traveling to do in January and February, but I will still be semi-ish consistent in putting out videos because, man, before you know it, it's going to be start of the year, and I'll be genuinely considering my seed selections. I'm going to talk about that as well as what I need to do to the pumpkin patch to get that ready. Right now, I'm looking at it. It's under about still 6 inches of snow or so. So that's far from my mind at this very moment. But thanks for watching. Please consider sharing this video. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. We're trying to get to 1,000. The guys who have won the shirts, still waiting for those seeds to dry so I can say your shirts as well as your seeds. Don't worry. And that's it for this time, guys. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.